Hi there, my name is OneLaneGamer, and this is going to be a video about how to use open broadcasting software, the one I am using right now, actually. I'm recording it, so I'm going to be recording and showing you at the same time. I'm going to be showing you on how to do this on a kind of better, higher quality computer, but I'll also show you how to do it on a lower quality, not as graphically good computer. I have the 770 superclocked. And a pretty high powered computer, 16 gigabytes of RAM, stuff like that. You can check the specs. The link for my specs video will be down below. But yeah, let's get into it. So let's go here, and here it is. Look at this. Here is this. Here's the thing. So what you gotta do, and okay, somebody just started playing Battlefield. So what you gotta do is you go to you can download the open broadcasting software. Okay, you gotta download the 32-bit. I think this is the website you go to. All you really have to do is look up OBS, open broadcasting software, and then you go to Windows 7/8. And actually, oh crap, nope, don't wanna cancel that. Cancel. It's downloading it. There we go. Cancel it. Yeah, actually, they do actually have a Windows or OS X Mac version. It's for Mac, so you can download that. It's really easy, actually. It's a lot easier to do it on the Mac than it is on here. So, I might do a tutorial on that actually. But yeah, it's a lot easier. Very basic. If you know how to do it on here, you know how to do it on there. So what you do is you download it, press this button, and you download the 32-bit version, even if you have 64-bit, everything like that, 64-bit Windows, just because the 32-bit has all of the plugins and stuff, like the follower alert, stuff like that, if you are doing Twitch. But if not, you can use it as a recording like I am now. But what you do is first thing you do is you go into settings, okay? So what I have is my encoding. So what you have to do is, I think when you open it up, why does my iPad keep going off? So you gotta have it, these are the settings you basically have to have. I wouldn't have it at 3000 for if you have a lower computer than mine, the 770 superclock, lower graphically enhanced computer, lower graphics card than that. I'd probably have it at 2000 or 2500. Somebody keeps playing Battlefield. You don't see it, but I can hear it. I'd probably have it at like 2000 or maybe 3000. It's just a bit rate. So what it basically does, if you have a lower bit rate, then it's kind of pixelated, but it makes it so it doesn't drop as many frames if you're streaming, and it doesn't skip frames if you're recording, so it's all choppy. So I have mine at 3000 just because my internet and my computer allows it. You gotta have the codec is AAC, bitrate 128. Oh, this is the max bitrate. Sorry, max bitrate is 3000. Bitrate is 128. Format 48 kilohertz, I think. Yeah, 48. Channel stereo, and then encoder, like I said, times 264, and use CBR. So that's what you gotta do. You gotta enable CBR padding and uncheck use custom buffer size. Okay, uncheck that. So after you do all of this stuff, you do apply. Okay, so you press apply. By the way, if you want to do the max, like if you were to stream on Twitch, if you were to go to like 5000, it could break Twitch. Like, you wouldn't be able to stream, just because, if that's possible for you, I don't know. But yeah, then you go to broadcast settings, and if you want to do live stream, so let's say right now, I am saving this to sorry, I was checking if I was recording. I didn't know if I had started yet. I was still previewing. Yeah, by the way, you can actually preview it by pressing this button right here. This is the start streaming, stop recording, and preview button. You can preview it. It doesn't go anywhere. You can just see what it looks like. But you do file output. This is for recording. You just don't even have to really do any of this. I don't have it. You can. It's just you go here and you press, let's say I want it to be right bracket or whatever, so I press right bracket. I don't want to press it because then it'll set it. Actually, yeah, just right bracket, and then stop is left bracket. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Perfect. By the way, none of this stuff sets until you're done. And you have to reset the software. So you got to stop streaming to stop recording for it to all reset again. But then that's just the file output. Then you go live stream, and it has all of these different things. I use Twitch. This also has YouTube live streaming, Hitbox, Daily Motion, and that's basically, and Vaughn Live. Those are basically the ones that I know about. But if you are using any of these, it has all of those compatible with it. But yeah, Twitch, you select your server. For some reason, mine is the US West. But yeah, my server would be New York, so you select your server, whatever's closest to you. You put in your stream key. And then you don't, this is all pretty much set for you. Just keep the delay at 0, auto reconnect 10. That's if the stream drops, because if so many drop frames, it reconnects automatically in 10 minutes. It gives it 10 minutes to reset itself. I think you can save, yes, actually, wow, I'm just figuring this out. You can save your video, your stream to, you can save your stream to your computer while you're streaming, so you can go and edit it afterwards. I'm actually gonna do that. But yeah, so that's that. You just have the hotkeys, start streaming, stop streaming, start recording, blah blah blah, all like that. Just everything like that. So this is basically all you need. You just got to go to your play path / stream key. You got to go to your Twitch. If you want to use your Twitch, you go twitch.tv/dashboard, and then you go to your stream key. I'm not going to go there because I don't want you to see my stream key. But yeah, you can go there, copy that into there. Very easy to do that. You press apply. Like I said, these settings won't be applied until the next time you begin streaming again. Don't worry about that. Let's go to file output again, just because. There we go. Then video. So as you can see, my graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 770. So it will have yours, or maybe if you have SLI, you will select which one you want. I don't know if it does that actually, but yeah. So there's your video card. You can select which monitor you want to do, but I don't really care about that. You just do custom, whatever your base resolution is at. 1920 by 1080, that's mine. 16 by 9, and then you can do resolution downscale. So this is the part that you need a better computer to do. Even with my graphics card, I can only stream at 720p because it skips frames and can't encode it even when I'm recording, because it's just so hard to go not even downscale at all and just send the base resolution out into the internet or out into your computer. So I keep it at 720. You can also have it at anything all the way down to 640 or 360p actually. But yeah, I keep it at 720, and these things also can skip frames. Bilinear is the fastest. It does not skip frames. I used to have that on my old computer that I streamed on. But yeah, bicubic sharper, good detail, 16 samples and 36 samples. I use that one, best quality. Then FPS, I use 60. You definitely need a better computer to do that. So I would say if you are starting out, I'd just test everything. First of all, I'd make like a fake account, or I'd make an account and just test these streams for a bit. Like you can set it to anything. I can set it to 1 FPS, but of course I'm not going to do that. 1 FPS, 1 frame per second. Oh god. But yeah, so you press apply. Actually, okay. Also, you have to disable arrow. Okay, you have to do that. If you undisable it, your computer. So see how my computer is like all like the old Windows, how it's like all weird like this and all choppy, and how the bottom is. It's not like the Windows 7. Where you can see through it and it's all like good looking and stuff like that. It's not like that. It's because I disabled arrow, and you have to do that. If you uncheck that, it goes back to the normal thing, but you have to check it. If you do not check it, the top FPS you'll get is 15 FPS. So I would very much recommend disabling arrow. Then audio, of course, you do desktop audio, whatever you want to record your desktop with. Mine are speakers. They go straight into my headset, the Logitech G930s, and then the microphone. This you can actually have, I think, multiple microphones. No, never mind. Sorry. But you select whichever microphone you want. You can disable it. But yeah, there I selected my microphone. You can use push to talk, so you can have it so if you can only hear the sound if you press a certain button. Of course, I don't do that. You can set a push to talk delay. You can do all these hotkeys, all the crazy hotkeys. Then the advanced, save those changes. The advanced is all of this. This is basically what you need. This is it. When you open up the software for the first time, it tells you what you need to do here. This is all you basically have to do. Just copy whatever I have here and put it right into your thing. It'll tell you what to do. But if you're confused at all, just take this. Put it over to whatever you're using right now, and or whatever you have right now, and it should work. It will work, because that's what it says. So yeah, it basically just says that. But if you're still confused, just use all of this stuff. So yes, now that we have the settings done, it should work for you. And if you're confused about anything else, we're gonna go here. We're gonna check this stuff out. So let's say I want to add. Let's see. We're gonna delete. So what you do is you can click and delete this. So you click it and then right click it and go remove, and you can remove the text. So if you want to add anything new, you right click it and then add, and it goes to all of this stuff. game capture, you select a game. If you have a game open, select that game. So let's just pretend we have a game open. Okay, game capture. And let's say my Chrome is a game. So we do Chrome videos. Boom. Okay, and pretend that that is the game, and it'll show it on the screen if you have it open. So of course I definitely do not. And there's a Steam thing. We don't want that there, but who cares? There's that. You have the video capture device, so you go add. Actually, no, let's just go into the settings of this, just because you can't open another one. But yeah, you have my headset selected. Everything, it basically does it all for you. If you want a custom resolution, you can change it to, let's say right now it's at 960p, you can change it to 720, and if I press, you can also chroma key, which is really cool. You select this and then you do whatever green, you can do green, blue, whatever. You can select anything. So let's say I want to chroma key my face out. Oh my gosh, so spooky. Whoa, oh, that's actually really creepy. I don't like that. But yeah, we turn that off, and then if we press OK, since we selected 720p, you can also do the frame rate, everything like that. You do OK, and it'll turn it into 720p. Look at that, beautiful. Sorry, my camera's glitching out, not very good. I wouldn't recommend this camera, by the way. I'd recommend the version up for this. This is the 720p version. You can get a 1080p version for like 20 bucks more. I should have gotten that one. This one, I think my USB cable might be broken. Anyway, this is not talking about the camera, this is talking about the software. So then what you do, I know it's like, I just remember, look at this, it's like, whoa. Virtual realities. But then anything else in here, you can do window capture. You can capture a certain window. Monitor capture your one of your monitors. I have 3 monitors. You can capture whatever one you want by selecting that. Image, you can add any images in here you want. You just go like that, new image, and you browse an image. You can color key the image as well, color key the background out. You can do image slideshow, so you just select a bunch of different images. And you can do randomize, fade in only, disable fading. You can have it time between different images when you do the slideshow, stuff like that. Awesome, everything. Let's see, what else can you do? I have this thing, the CLR browser. That's a plugin you can download. That is NightDev.com. You can go there. That'll probably be in the description as well. That's how you download the follower alert and everything like that. Very easy to do. I think there's a video on the page for that, so don't worry. Video capture device, we already did that, and game capture. Text, this one is the only one. It's basically pretty much the same thing. You enter text. Let's say, hi, I'm Gabe, and we want to change it to, double click that, change it to black. We want it to be, let's see, we have all of these. Let's do Comic Sans, and then we do bold. Let's have it at 200, and you can do outline, and the outline's going to be red. I've never done this before. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, it looks horrible. But yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So that's basically what we can do. And then if you want to select it, did you see how I did there? You click on edit scene, and then you click on whatever one it is. So like I did edit scene, then I clicked on the video capture device. You can move this around. That's how you move things around. Like if you don't have that edit scene selected and you click this, you can't move it around. So you have to have edit scene, then you select whatever object it is, and you can move it around and put it wherever you want. You can scale it using these things right here. You can make it super big or super small. So yeah, that's basically open broadcasting software. It's really awesome. It's free. Sometimes it's annoying. Sometimes it drops frames. As you can see right here, it says dropped frames. Sometimes it does that. It drops a bunch of frames if your internet is bad, or sometimes it just glitches out for no reason, but that's okay. It's definitely worth it instead of buying the $30 a month XSplit. I'd get this. This also shows what your bit rate is at, by the way. But yeah, I would get this. I would get OBS. It's super easy. Like I said, go to the website. That'll be down below as well as NightDev. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's go back to the face cam. By the way, you can have a bunch of different scenes here as well. Sorry, I didn't show you that. So this is basically in a scene. This is my main stream scene for when I stream. This is what it looks like in the game, is right here. Oh, you can't see it. Well, the game is everywhere, all around here. But yeah, so this is the scene. Let's go to recording again. So you can just just right click again inside of the scenes tab right here, and then add scene, and do scene. Let's just name it that. There we go, and it creates a new scene. You can do new image, okay, browse, and quickscope simulator. Boom, look at that, and perfect. Look at that. That's our new scene. It's the best scene ever. Oh my gosh, look at that. But yeah, so that's basically it, guys. Super awesome, super easy. I just want to say thank you. You can't see me yet. Thank you. There I am. Thank you so much for you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, if this helped you, please feel free to leave a like down below. It takes 2 seconds or less than like a second, half a second out of your time to leave a like and then maybe a comment if you want to have me improve on anything. And if you really did enjoy this, feel free to check out my other videos and maybe subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Adios, amigos. Ha!